Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Google Drive API for file management step by step clearly. Start by navigating to the Google Cloud Console. Log in with your Google account. Create a new project by Select a project at the top. Click on New Project to initiate the process. Name your project appropriately based on your intended use. After naming, click Create to finalize the creation of your project. Once the project is set up, find APIs and Services on the left sidebar. Click on Library under APIs and Services. In the API library, search for Google Drive API. Select Google Drive API from the search results. Click on the Enable button to activate the API for your project. After enabling, navigate back to the APIs and Services section. Select Credentials from the left sidebar. Click the Create Credentials button at the top. Choose OAuth Client ID from the options that appear. If prompted, configure the consent screen by filling out required fields. Select an application type that fits your needs, usually web application. Provide a name for your OAuth client. In the Authorized Redirect URL section, add your redirect URL. Click Create to generate your credentials. Note down your client ID and client secret from this screen. Next, download the credentials JSON file by clicking on the download icon next to your newly created OAuth 2.0 client IDs. Important, keep this JSON file secure, as it contains sensitive information. Next, go to your project settings and enable the Drive API if it isn't already enabled. Now, familiarize yourself with the Google Drive API documentation for your specific file management needs. Choose a programming language or library you'll be using to interact with the API. Install the necessary libraries in your development environment. Use the downloaded credentials to authenticate your API requests. Implement file management operations as per your requirements, such as uploading, deleting, or listing files. Test your implementation to ensure everything is functioning as expected. Review the API quotas and usage limits to monitor your application's performance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.